Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete a demo account with MetaTrader 5. In order to do so, first off, here we are at MetaTrader 5. We're all opened up and ready to go. And what you're looking for is on the left hand side in the navigator, you're going to see here where it says accounts. If you go ahead and click on the plus sign there, then you're going to see that you have your demo account here, and if you hit the plus sign on that, then you're going to see more details on that. If you right click on where it says the demo account, you're not going to see an option to delete. However, if you right click on the account itself, then here you're going to see the option to delete. All you have to do is just click that and go through the steps, and you will have successfully deleted your demo account on MetaTrader 5. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.